Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm makeup artist Ginny Wang. Let's go to this Ice and Cinderella inspired makeup. She has oily skin and skin pigmentation. I start with face primer to minimize the look of pores and apply a concealer on her forehead with the color number 6. If you want to learn more about fresh makeup, subscribe and turn on the notifications. You will receive a notification when a new video update. I didn't choose foundation. I applied 2 shades of concealer. To cover the tear trough, I choose a pink concealer. Use only a few amounts and gently apply on the line. Apply a setting loose powder with a cushion puff sponge. For oily skin, I usually apply powder by brush again. Next, apply an illuminating powder to her tear trough. To brighten the face, I apply it as a highlighter on Z-zone, T-zone, and chin. She already has a beautiful eyebrow, so I gently apply with a brow wax. Let's go to the eye makeup step. First, apply an ombre cream, then apply eyeshadow. She will get long-lasting eye makeup. I love this step. The mascara hack gives huge full lashes like a doll. It is a key if you want to look more charming. If you haven't tried this Korean eyelash trick, you can search my YouTube channel for more details. For the end, apply contour, blush, and lip gloss. I hope you enjoy the looks that come from what you've learned today. If you do, give me some love and thumbs up below. You can follow my Instagram as well. Thank you for watching.